Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel influencers360.co.uk. Today I am going to teach you how to upload simple Amazon listings. Simple Amazon listings are the listings without any color and size variations. In my next video, I will teach you how to upload variable Amazon listings with color and size variations. Let's start. First of all, you need to log in to Amazon Seller Central account. Then click here on Inventory. Then on Manage Inventory. Now click here on Add a Product Now. Click here on I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon. Now go to Source Product and save all images on desktop. Now select the suitable category for your product. Now fill all this information. Now click on Offer and fill the price. Now upload images. Now add the description in the description box. Now complete the final step and add more required details. After adding all required details, just go below and click on Save and Finish. And you have done. It will take 5 minutes to update the product listings on Amazon. Please, I request you, if you find this video helpful and informational, then like and share the video. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon button to get notification for more interesting and online learning videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.